this jerk, you got a spinnerbait too. Oh shit, I about threw that mother. Have some damn traction. Oh, that thing puts off some flash, boy. There's one. Oh, stay down, dude. Oh, it's a big one. Come on, baby. Oh. Tell how big this thing is. He stuck it though. Ugh. Let's go. That's a chunk right there. God darn. Stuck the spinnerbait. Good God. That's a chunk. I do a little selfie if I can without getting drowned. That's a solid darn fish. Probably close to, oh, I don't know. Good fish though. Right, 2 something, almost 3. Solid fish. Nailed that. Spinnerbait with the Kitech on there. All right, buddy. Let's get it back out there. Back out there. Oh, he gave me a little up tap on the foot. I heard that. Dang, he nailed this thing. Woo. Nailed it. I thought that fish was bigger than that. Spinnerbait. Slow rolling. That should be a bite. Should be. Burn it. That middle, man, you get hung up in that middle. Oh God. They nailed it. Oh. Oh. Dang, that's a chunk. Stay down, boy. Oh. Burning it across the middle. That's a big one. Probably about bigger than the last one. He ain't no sign, but he's big. Oh, ugh. Oh, God, there's a chunk. Oh. Let's get him over here. Oh, dang. He's close to a side. Look how fat that fish is. Good God. I might measure this guy. Whew, ripped his lips. What I'm talking about. That's a fat fish though. Good God. Right there at 17 and a half. Whew. Let's see, go. There he goes. Woo. He's like, where am I? God, that was a chunk. It's 2 super chunks. Spark another owl. Do you want to spark another owl? I like to fish down to that, but I don't think I'm gonna get down there. Burn, burn. Let it burn like Usher. Got to piss one off, come up and just wow. That's what you got to do when they won't hit it. Piss them off. Piss them off. Change up the pace a little bit. Lift. Hello. Can you hear me? What do you think I'm doing? Catching bigs. That's what I'm doing. Oh man, I caught 2 good ones down here on the river. Yeah, spinner baiting. Oh yeah. I know. Damn. Yeah, you better get on them quick. Is it? Two chunks. That one was like 18 inches and probably about 3 plus. He was a chunky, big son of a bitch. Oh, there. Oh, you little fucking sack of shit. I got him. I got him. He's a chunk. Oh shit, man, what is that? It's a big smallmouth. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh no. Come here, you mother. God, this thing, man, he crushed that freaking son of a gun. Boy, he come back and got it. He hit it. Oh. I don't know if I got time to get all the way down there today. This one looks like he's about 2.5, 3. See that spinnerbait just cruising in the water right there, boy. All right, come here. Come here, boy. Oh, good. Oh, man, that's a chunk. That is a chunk. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Chunk, son. He's long, dude. He's longer, about as long as that other one. Spinnerbait just popped right out of his mouth, dude. Dang. Well, buddy,